Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Farmhouse Fridays, and this is hosted by Meadowhillhome. And if you haven't already been to her channel, I'll leave the link of her channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So this is the final result of my farmhouse project, you guys. I'm so excited to share with you here. And I just created a tier tray from two of my gray picture frames from Dollar Tree. Like you saw the process, I just had this white and gray checks placemat as the back of the picture frame, and then I topped it up with the glass of the picture frame. and that's how I did for the top layer as well. And this is one of the rooster container from Dollar Tree, and then I stuffed it up with some of the paper bags inside, and also twined it up the mouth of the jar with jute, and also stuffed a lot of Spanish moss and beautiful spring roses just popping out of the jar. They're so pretty. I'm so happy how this turned out. And the lid of this jar, I just twined the base of the jar with, again, jute twine. And this is one of the flower fog candle. I just topped it up with that. And this one, I made this project during fall season, and this was basically a Dollar Tree candle holder, and I just added some more of the brown burlap ribbon around it, just to give like a farmhouse rustic look to it. And we saw this beaded garland in one of my previous projects, so I just laid it on the tray to just decorate it. And to connect these two trays, I basically had those alphabet blocks, and I painted gray to go along with the picture frame color, and then I gave the feet of the tier tray. And this is one of the candle holder that is connecting both the tiers. And the top tier, I just placed one of the beautiful home, and this is one of my winter pine cone. I just decorated on the top just like that. So this is my farmhouse tier tray, and I absolutely love this. So let me know your thoughts on this. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.